Hi, this is a video of how to make egg sandwich. In this video, I'm going to make 2 servings and the ingredients are 4 eggs, 4 slices of toast, salt and pepper, and mayonnaise. And this is a Japanese brand, Kewpie brand mayonnaise. You can use any other brands if you like. The first thing is to heat a pot of water, and when it's boiled, cook the 4 eggs for 10 minutes, and make sure when you drop these eggs in the pot to not crack them. After it's done, place these boiled eggs in water filled with ice cubes for about 1 minute. After that, remove the shells from each of the eggs. I use paper towel to wipe these eggs dry so they're not too wet. And cut each of the eggs in halves. Here you want to separate the egg yolks from egg whites and put it in a separate bowl. And cut the egg whites into small cubes. After you're done with cutting the egg whites, put it aside and add mayonnaise into the bowl where you left the egg yolks and start mixing them. After you mixed the mayonnaise with egg yolk, add the egg whites into the bowl and mix them well. Right here I added a little bit more of mayonnaise. I thought it looks a little dry, but I think it probably will be okay without it. And here I added salt and pepper for more taste. And of course, make sure you mix them well. And we're almost done here. Now just simply adding the egg and mayonnaise mix on top of a slice of toast. And put the other piece over it and cut them in half. Now the egg sandwich is ready to be served. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.